the sea where the waves roll in, let the ocean song begin. Waves go splash and the sand feels warm, little sea friends start to swarm. Crabs go scuttle side to side, seagulls sing as they glide. Shells go click with a shiny glow, rolling gently to and fro. Swim, swim, swim in the deep blue sea, count the fish that you can see. 1 fish, 2 fish, red and green, biggest fish you've ever seen. Starfish stretching on the floor, jellyfish drifting more and more. Octopus waves all 8 arms, dancing with the sea's bright charms. Bubbles rise and bubbles fall, can you catch them one and all? Pop, pop, pop as they float, watch them wiggle near the boat. Down by the sea so wide, feel the ocean's rolling tide. Sing with dolphins leaping high, splish and splash beneath the sky. Seaweed sways and turtles glide, let's go take a water ride. Submarines go low, 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 underwater nice and slow. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, swim in rhythm to the beat. Wiggle like a fishy tail, spin around and set your sail. Seashells sparkle in the sand, treasure shining in your hand. Pearls and coins and coral bright, hidden in the sea's delight. Sandcastles rise with bucket and spade, splash in puddles that the waves made. Dig for clams, dig for fun, laugh and play under the sun. Down by the sea we sing and play, chasing waves all through the day. The ocean sings a lullaby with a breeze that whispers by. Float your boat and ride the tide, let the sea be your guide. Wave to whales and seabirds too, goodbye fish, we'll come back soon. Now the sun begins to set, the sea turns gold, a sparkling net. Hold my hand, let's end our song, the sea will call us back before